It has crept up on us like the proverbial thief in the night. The start of the new English Premier League season. But somehow this season feels different. Not much hype. I think what is happening is a kind of Manchester City hangover. Not from their on-field dominance, but there is an undeniable cloud hanging over Man City's recent success. That unspoken suspicion that the integrity of the league is compromised. With all their recent title glory, there are over 100 unanswered charges for breaches of the football fair play rules. And while other small and poorer teams like Everton and Nottingham Forest had points deducted for similar breaches, Manchester City, with their bag of money and their big legal teams, continue to delay and are even counter-suing the English FA for attempting to hold them Man City accountable. All of this while Pep Guardiola and his team are gearing up to win another English Premier League. Now, is anyone excited? Maverick is not excited.